Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be taking a look here at DraftKings stock. Now, if you've been with the channel here for the last few weeks and even months, guys, even before my channel had 1,000 subscribers, we've been talking about DraftKings and holding a very long-term position. Now, I entered the majority of that position around $50 a share, and I know a lot of you guys that have been watching for absolutely months here noticed when the stock went all the way to $40 and were able to pick up even a larger position around this price. So if you've been with the channel for a long time, if you're holding shares at around $40 as a result of what you heard here on the channel, make sure you hit the like button, guys, because right now I want to show you one of the main reasons why I'm hype on DraftKings right now, why I'm very bullish on what could happen with the price action this week, guys, and especially I want to show you exactly what is going to be the confirmation that we are breaking out here with DraftKings stock, and ultimately that we are not just in another one of these pop and dips like what we've been seeing over the last few weeks. Now, as you can see, the price is steadily consolidating right now, and even though we've had a rip at open, the stock price is very hard to break through $59 right now, and that's going to be as a result of this channel, guys. And this is something that we've been showing you here on the channel, or I've been showing you for the last few months of time, guys. So this is not something that I just painted on the chart because the lines look nice. This is something that has been holding consistent with the price of DraftKings going back all the way to June, and I have been consistently telling you guys to trade these lines and to make sure you catch this stock at the minimum price whenever you can, guys. And that's how we've been able to get in on DraftKings at $40 when we did get it signaled here, and even at $44 only 1 week ago when I did make my video on DraftKings explaining that they were going to see some price weakness here in the last week. And as you can see, that was absolutely true. A lot of people were buying in for this breakout, hoping that even weekly calls were going to be profitable at this point. But I told you guys, be very careful. We've already seen this with DraftKings multiple times where they run up to the top of this channel and then unfortunately break down the next week. And that's exactly what we got. But I was able to tell you guys that $44, $44 to $40 was going to be that range where I was looking to buy in on some extra shares of DraftKings. And as you can see, that's exactly what we've been able to do here. And we've been profiting all the way from $44 to now $58 a share, guys. But the most reason why you guys are probably clicking on this video is because you want to know whether DraftKings is an investable opportunity right now at $59 a share, and whether you should open up a new position with this company for the long or short term, guys. So I want to tell you exactly what I did with DraftKings here over the last few hours, guys. And ever since I've heard about this news with ARK Invest opening up a new share position on DraftKings. Now, guys, this is not exactly what made me bullish on DraftKings. Ultimately, the recent catalyst with this play with DraftKings is going to be the entry of ARK Invest into a new position here with the company, guys. But that is not the main reason why I'm buying the shares. I'm buying the shares because I like DraftKings as a company. I see the long-term growth potential. I see them having potential to expand into more states in the US as well as internationally. So guys, that is ultimately going to be the main reason why I've been buying this play, why I'm going to continue adding shares to this play, guys, and not because ARK Invest decided to buy them randomly here or for any sort of reason. I don't make any of my plays based on another investor, based on an upgrade, based on a selling report, etc. And I recommend that you guys do independent research on your own so you can avoid jumping in on plays like DraftKings when they were all the way at all-time highs near $60, and so you can jump in when the price is lower at $44. If you were doing research on this company all the way back in April, November, October, then you would have known that this is an absolute great play to buy and hold for the long term, and not just consider it now when ARK Invest is hopping in. So guys, please be very careful. If you are just simply buying exactly what ARK Invest is buying, there is a lot of risk to that. And we've seen plays like Baba, which is one of ARK Invest's biggest holdings here, take a big hit over the last few months, guys. So as always, make sure you're paying very close attention to what plays you're in, guys, and make sure they have merit, not just that you're buying them because somebody else told you to, guys. So as always, I want to talk about DraftKings here, specifically what we're watching on DraftKings to really confirm a breakout here, guys. And like I said, they have been rocketing up and popping down for the last few weeks here pretty consistently, guys. So we're going to want to get a sign here that this is a different occurrence and that this event is different than any of those other times. And one of the first things that I like to look at here to give me a confirmation that really more people are in the market or more investors are giving this stock some strength is going to be the volume. Now, as you can see, I have the hourly chart open up here, and every candle on the chart is going to represent 1 hour of time, guys. So one of the main things that we want to look at here is during the open of this stock, the first hour of price action, what happened as far as volume. And as you can see, we've gotten an absolute tear of volume, almost double the normal volume from the previous days, guys. So it's very obvious here that there are new traders in the market and watching this stock, as well as investing into DraftKings here in the short term. So that's one of the main reasons why right at open, I added up 30 extra shares of this company, guys, adding to my longer term position. So we are now holding hundreds of shares here with DraftKings for the long term, and my ultimate price target with this company is around $80, but that's going to be towards the end of 2021 and kind of making sure that they can continue this growth trajectory, which they've been on for the last few years, guys. So there's a lot of stuff riding here with DraftKings, and especially with this breakout here at $59, it's going to be a very clear and key sign of whether this stock is going to be a growth pick for the long term, or whether this stock is going to be breaking down here over the next few weeks and seeing a lot more consolidation, at least until we come to the earnings date, guys. So like I said, $59 is going to be that breakout price, and ultimately right now the break above this line is going to be the confirmation or best sign that we are continuing this move. Now right now we are at 58.60, which is not a great sign that this is a confirmed move here, guys, and that's one of the main reasons why I want to tell you, be careful before you invest on this. Confirm that there is an upwards direction move. Now like I said, I have hundreds of shares on this company and even back at around $30 a share, so there's no reason for me to panic, and there's really no reason for me to be worried if this stock does pull back to $50 a share, even $30 a share. My position would still be in profits. So that's why I can afford to buy 30 extra shares, 40 extra shares at this all-time high price around $59 to $60, guys, and not be worried about what's happening here in the short run. But if you've never started a position on DraftKings and you're just opening up your longer term share position or shorter term share position, I would encourage you to at least make sure that this is a confirmed breakout, so you know that you're buying in on a trend with strength, and you're not just that you're buying in on a 1-day pop, a 1-hour pop, or even worse, an opening market pop, guys, which is right now what it's seeming like on DraftKings. So like I said, I'm still very, very bullish. I'm going to be waiting for the first 2 or 3 hours to really give me that clear sign of what's going to be happening with DraftKings. I don't want to be too quick to judge what's happening with this play, guys. But like I said, if they aren't able to hold above this $59 price tag by the end of the day, by the first few hours here, that will not be a great sign. And ultimately, I will probably get rid of my options position, as that one counts on time here, guys, and it's very time sensitive. So if we can see some shorter term price action, I will continue holding my options, continue holding my new share position. But if we do see maybe a breakdown below a 59 and even all the way back to 58 flat, that will be a bearish sign here on the day for DraftKings, and that will give us a sign that this new news about Cathie Woods and about ARK investing was not enough to push the stock out of the slump that it's been in and out of this longer term trading channel, guys. So as always, keep a close eye out for DraftKings. This is going to be a great play to continue keeping your eye on here over the next few days. Like I said, the best ideal thing with this play will be to catch them at the bottom side of this range, guys. But ultimately, it's very hard to do that, and it takes a lot of patience. We've been playing this stock for absolutely months, and we've only gotten 2 chances to buy at this best price, guys. So as always, make sure you keep a close eye out with all your favorite names here, DraftKings, etc. And if you want to stay up to date with what's happening here on the channel every single day, make sure you like and subscribe the video down below. Also, make sure you check out the Discord, which is going to be completely free, and it's going to be where I post my daily plays and signals. So last night we talked about DraftKings and what I was going to be doing today, even before I posted it on the channel, guys. So make sure you check that out with the link down in the description below and take advantage of all these free opportunities. But always, guys, make sure your plays are in the green, and I really hope you enjoyed the video.